Hello everyone. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a GFI in one of my master bathroom that went faulty. You see one of the GFIs right here is not working well, so I'm going to replace it with a new one. You can see I'm just going to test it. Trips this GFI. And once I press this reset button, it's a little hard to get it to reset. See that? It's not supposed to do that. It should just, once you press the reset button, it should just click in right away. So this can indicate that one of your GFI outlets is about to go bad on it, or if there's an issue with you trying to reset this and it keeps tripping. So that means you need a new GFI. If you have a GFI that's going faulty, it means replace this GFI. For an issue like this I'm having with one of these GFI outlets. So yeah, this one appears to be still working, but still giving me a hard time resetting it. So that explains why I'm replacing it with a new one. Before working on replacing an electrical outlet receptacle in the bathroom, make sure you turn off the circuit breaker that goes to the GFCI outlet. Once you have power disconnected to the GFCI, all you need to do is take the cover off. The cover comes right out. Once you remove the electrical cover, and you'll find these two screws with these Phillips screws. Just need to remove it with a screwdriver or electric power drill. But be very careful when using electric power drill to remove these screws. Just need to take your Phillips screwdriver to remove these two screws, and this will remove the GFCI outlet off to the junction box. Just need to get your Phillips screwdriver to remove those two screws that holds this GFI outlet into the junction box. Just need to remove those two screws. And you'll have your three wires coming from your GFI. White is the neutral, black is the hot wire, the copper is the ground. Make sure you take note of which wires go to which before you take the wires off to the GFI outlet. Make sure you have a voltage contact tester to check to see if there's no power going to this GFI. You see we have no power, so it's safe to work on this GFI. Make sure you turn off the circuit breaker. Always make sure you take a picture of your wire connectors so you won't get confused in which wires go to which, if you're confused to which wires. And it's really easy to take a picture of it. And remove this ground wire that's on the bottom of this GFI. And remove the hot wire. The GFCI comes right out. And these screws, you don't even need to reuse them because they come with the new screws when you buy a new GFCI. So these old screws, you don't need to reuse them unless you die encouraging to reuse those screws. You can see I just got the new GFI replacement off Amazon. I bought a 15 amp GFCI I just bought off of the Amazon website. You can see this is the new GFCI I just got out of the box. And always make sure you read in the back of the GFCI, which tells you on which wires go to which. Really easy to look at in the back, as it will tell you on which wires go to which. If you're not sure, just read onto one of the owner's manuals when you buy a GFCI that it comes with an owner's manual on how to install a GFCI. If this is your first time doing a GFCI outlet in your bathroom or doing some installation into a GFCI, it comes with an owner's manual which will tell you pretty straightforward onto wiring a GFCI. So this is really easy to wire up, as if you have two wires with the high and neutral, and plus the ground is the copper, so usually it's really easy to wire these in the back, so I'm going to show you on wiring it. Just need to move the wires out of the way. You just need to install the hot side. Once you get it in to the hot side, just need to tighten the screw. And install the neutral with the white wire. Once you get two wires connected, you just need to connect the copper wire, which is the ground. Once you get the ground completely in, just need to tighten the green screw. Just need to mount this GFI back to the wall. And it comes with screws and a flush mounted plate that I just bought. One of these GFI's outlets, including screws. Just need to mount the GFI back on the wall. Just going to install this plate. Just need to put the screws on. Once you get the two screws tightened, what you need to do is pop in this outlet cover into the GFCI. And it's all secured and completely installed. And now let's go test this GFCI. You just need to turn the circuit breaker back on. To power's back on. Now let's test this new GFCI outlet. I'm going to press the reset button and you'll see this green indicator light come on. You can see the new GFCI outlet is working. And always make sure you have a green indicator light coming on your GFCI. Because if not, that means you wiring is not installed properly. But we can see it's working, so that means there's a good connection. And that's how you replace a GFCI outlet in the master bathroom. If this video was helpful, if it did, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button or notification bell so you'll be notified too, so you'll never miss a video that we upload in this repair channel. And have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.